Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a quiz on Canva. So if you want something like this, or if you want to create quizzes and trivia for your friend, for your class, or for your work, then this tutorial is for you. So first, just go to any web browser and log in to your account, Canva, if you have already. Then if you don't have yet, then sign up for your account here to start with Canva. So since we're going to create a quiz on Canva, so we will look for a specific designer template right here or dimension. And what you're going to do is go to the search icon and then type YouTube video. You will see different options below. So you have to click YouTube video if you see one. So this is the correct or right dimension for this design or for this template. And as you can see, there are tons of designs that you can see on the left side. So what we're going to do is we're going to start from scratch. So we will not be using these designs here. So first, for the background, you can go and type background and look for videos. So as you can see, there are tons of background designs. And if you found one, all you have to do is to click and drag that to the blank page like this. And then you need to set this as your background. So as you can see, this is a sample. Feel free to choose another or other video background if you want. So the second thing to do once you have your background video right here is to go to elements and then look for shapes because we'll be adding, A, B, C. So you have to look for shapes. So if you want rectangle or square, but I think this one is the right shape for multiple choice. So let me drag this here. You can adjust, okay, something like that. Just drag. And then you can now duplicate this by tapping and then duplicate and then duplicate again. You can change the color if you want. So if you want to change this to yellow, to green, to blue, everything is up to you. So I'm going to add another one. That would be 4, but this one is for the correct answer. And I want to change the color to color green. And that is to make sure that, it's different from the colors A, B, C. Now let me change the background because I don't like it. Okay, and I want to change the color of the shape. So I want to change this to color white. Okay, and I want to leave color green. I mean, I just want to make the correct answer as color green. Okay, so the next thing to do here is we're going to add circle shape for our ABC. So let me type circle and then drag that circle right here and then change the color. So I want to change this to color yellow. And this one is for letter A. So let me duplicate first. Okay, for A, B, and C. And then go to text, add text, and then type letter A. Okay, and then all you have to do is to fit that letter inside the circle shape. You can change the color of the letter if you want. So let me change this to red and then drag it right here inside the circle. Duplicate, and then this time it's letter B, duplicate again, and then this time it's letter C. Okay, so we have here A, B, C. And then after that, what you're going to do next is you're going to add a number. Okay, so let me change the color first. Okay, let me pick the correct or the right color for this. So before adding the number, let me add a question first. So go to text and then tap add a heading right here. Everything is up to you. If you want to tap this add a text box, it's okay. Now for creating questions, you can use or ask a help from ChatGPT or you can create your own. So this one, I got it from ChatGPT. If you want to change the font, style, or color, just click and then you will have the options above. You can also add some effects to this. So let me change the font style first. Okay, let me look for something very specific, this one. Okay, and then after that, I'm going to add effects. I will use either lift or outline. So let me use lift this time. So just adjust the font size of your question. After that, what you're going to do next is you have or you need to add numbers. Okay, so what I have mentioned earlier, just go to elements and then type number one, number two, something like that. And you will see here samples of elements for that specific number. So I want to use this color green, number one right here, adjust, and then put it here, the very first. Now let's add timer. Again, go to elements and then type timer right here. So you have to choose a video, okay? Because this one we're going to create a video. As you know, it's how to create a quiz in Canva, and we're going to download this as MP4. Okay, so look for a video and then you can choose if it's like timer bar or if you want something like this. So it depends on your timer. If you want to set the timer to 5 seconds to 10 seconds, everything is up to you. Okay, so as you can see, I don't like this bar timer right here. I want to choose another one. So feel free to delete if you don't like this one also and look for something like this. Okay, so if you have your Canva Pro, then you can remove the background actually. So just tap BG remover and it will remove the background, or you can also use the background if you want. If you think that it's not good to the eyes of the watcher, then you can just simply leave it that way. So I want to add it again and I don't want to remove the background. So here's the timer. I want to place it right here. Now, what I'm going to do next is I want to look for the picture of the possible or the answer. So let me go to elements and then look for the picture of the answer, or let's just say something related to the question, something like that. Okay, so let me look for something like Roman Empire or First Emperor or something like that. And before that, you need to add frame right here so that the picture will be put inside the frame. Okay, so let me add frame first and then go to elements again, look for a picture related to my question. And then once you found it, then what you're going to do is drag the picture inside the frame. Okay, and then feel free to adjust anything here, choices, numbers, and so on. Now we're going to add the possible answer and also the answer right here. So to do that, you need to click text and then add the possible answers. Okay, so this time I'm going to drag it right here. Let me adjust it because I think the shape is just too small. So let me adjust, extend it. Okay, and then copy, then paste, and then change it to the possible answer. So for A, it's Julius Caesar, and then for B, it's another name, C, and then that's it. So I have here the number, the question, the picture, possible answers. Next thing to do is you need to split this one. So let's just say at 7 seconds, you need to reveal the answer. So let me split this one up here. Okay, and then in this part, you need to drag this to the correct answer. So let me drag this green color shape right here, move it, and place it to the correct answer. You can add an effect like flicker just to make it more enticing, something like that. Okay, so as a result for this, so I have the answer, number, picture, choices, and the correct answer. You can also add audio for your quiz. So it would be a more challenging, more captivating, and people will love it more if you added some audio right here. Now, to do this book create, you have to go to apps and then search for book and then click enter manually here. And then you have to enter manually the questions. We can ask ChatGPT for this. Just copy, paste. So you need to change this to question. And then for this one, it's A, B, C. And you can also add answer after that. And you just have to simply paste. Now go and tap the question, connect to data. Also for the answer, connect data, connect this to each of the specific question, choices, and answer. So that's how easy it is to create a quiz on Canva. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe, and see you again in our next video tutorials.